Hey everyone, Dave Cook at Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we're doing just a quick video. We're doing some wall prep in this house for wallpaper. So you we'll let you decide if you can see it. This wall we did one coat, so this is the last wall. We did one coat of primer on here, and then here is where we did our second coat. So aside from the coloration difference, when we put this first coat on here, this wall was dry in about 15 minutes. It sucked it in. Last time the house was painted, it was built 15 years ago, so the walls are pretty thirsty. So we did two coats everywhere else, and then it took a while to dry, even out. So now we got a nice, even surface. So we put the wallpaper up here. It's gonna stick to the primer, not stick to the drywall. So we'll put another coat on here, that way we have that same surface everywhere else. But something to think about when you're priming the surface, how long has it been since the last time it was even painted? If that primer is sucking into that wall, you need to do another coat to make sure you have a good bond or barrier between the drywall and the primer, so when you put the wallpaper up, it sticks to the primer, not the wall, and when it goes to strip it, you'll just be able to peel it right off, get it wet, it'll come off, you wash the walls and you can paint. So there's a couple things to think about when you're getting ready to wallpaper a room. Have questions about wallpapering or painting? Definitely give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you. We love the space you're in.